In 1860, amidst a landscape fraught with division and discord, Abraham Lincoln emerged as a beacon of hope and strength as the 16th President of the United States. His election was not merely a result of political maneuvering, it symbolized a long-cherished dream for unity in a nation on the brink of chaos. Chaos stemmed from the deep-rooted conflicts over slavery, pitting the South's desire to maintain the institution against the North's fervent call for freedom and equality. Lincoln understood the monumental challenge before him: to lead a fractured country toward reconciliation and justice. He entered the presidency during a perilous era. The echoing call of a nation divided found its voice in Lincoln's resolute declaration, "A house divided against itself cannot stand." As the Civil War erupted, he did not waver. Instead, he became the moral compass for a beleaguered society. His leadership was characterized by a deep commitment to fostering a vision of equality. While the battlefields raged with turmoil and bloodshed, Lincoln's resolve shone brightly, steering the ship of state through the storm with an unwavering commitment to justice and freedom for all. The turning point came in 1863 with the issuance of the Emancipation Proclamation. A remarkable act of courage, it liberated all slaves in southern states, forever altering the trajectory of American history. This decree was not merely a legal instrument. It ignited a profound transformation in the very soul of the nation. Lincoln became an architect of change, instilling hope and the promise of a brighter future in the hearts of millions suffering under oppression. His vision extended beyond the battlefield as he sought to redefine the principles upon which the nation was founded. Tragically, Lincoln's life was abruptly ended on April 14, 1865, a mere days after the North's hard-fought victory in the Civil War. The assassin's bullet struck not just a president, but a man whose aspirations for justice transcended personal ambition. His assassination at Ford's Theater sent shockwaves through the nation, yet it did not extinguish his dream. Instead, it immortalized his vision of a unified, equitable America in the hearts of countless citizens. Lincoln's legacy, sealed in the annals of history, remains a powerful testament to resilience and an enduring quest for justice and hope that continues to inspire generations.